Hey guys, if you want to know why I'm going broke today, as in writing the biggest six-figure check of my life to someone I don't even know or like, stick around and I'll tell you exactly how cryptocurrencies did me in financially speaking. Cleaned me out. Seriously, do not by any means invest in a single cryptocurrency token or blockchain project until you've watched this video in full. Screw it. I'm just going to tell you the truth. Big brother taxman who's coming to collect his giant pot of gold thanks to the ridiculous crypto gains I cashed out this year. If you want to know which cryptos made me the most, which ones I cashed out and why, or which ones are still paying me more than a full-time income and passive monthly cash flow from simply holding their coin, then stick around. Because right now, today, I have an agenda to stick to. To start, I'm going to explain exactly what the heck crypto really is in 2024. What do you need to know now in order to hop on board before the next crypto bull run? Identify the long-term winners and the soon-to-be viral losers to steer clear of and to pretty much dumb crypto down into the no-brainer it can be if you understand it properly. By the way, 99% of people don't. So watching this video alone puts you well ahead of the pack who are about to get either left behind or raked over the coals by those crypto scams and sure to fail tokens that gobbled up billions from uninformed, overly optimistic investors. If you give me the next 8, 10, or 12 minutes of your life, pretty much if you watch till the end of this video, I'm going to do my best to give you a solid foundation from which to understand crypto enough to start making smart investments. If this video doesn't fulfill that promise, I will answer any and every question you have for me in the comments down below until we get you all there. So let's get into it. First, let's cover the basics. Understanding crypto can be like navigating a maze, but once you get it, it's a game changer. For me, the light bulb moment was realizing that Bitcoin was just one player in a vast and diverse field. There are thousands of coins and tokens out there, each serving different purposes and bringing unique benefits. But so many people, including my friends and family, couldn't grasp this massive ecosystem. That's why I started this channel, to make crypto easy to understand for everyone and to help regular people who may not have the finance or accounting background or degrees still achieve the life-changing financial returns I've experienced through investing in crypto. How do you explain crypto to someone new? It starts with breaking down the basics. Cryptocurrency is like regular money, but digital. Each coin or token is a string of code, similar to a serial number on a dollar bill. Think of your physical money. Each bill has a unique identifier. In the crypto world, it's the same concept, but entirely online. Imagine depositing a $20 bill into your bank. Your bank, the central bank, and the government can trace that transaction. In the crypto world, instead of banks, we have a public ledger called the blockchain. Every transaction is recorded on this blockchain, accessible to everyone, and incredibly secure. No single entity controls it, making it decentralized and robust. Each cryptocurrency operates on a blockchain, a public ledger maintained by a network of computers. These computers verify transactions and earn cryptocurrency for their efforts. It's a process called mining. Now, here's a fun way to look at it. Imagine you have a secret clubhouse, and every time someone wants to enter or leave, all members of the club must agree and record it in the club's book. This book is the blockchain, and the members are the computers in the network. No single person can cheat or change the book without everyone else agreeing. This is what makes blockchain technology so secure and trustworthy. Cryptocurrencies can be divided into two main types: coins and tokens. Coins, like Bitcoin, have their own blockchain. Tokens, on the other hand, are built on existing blockchains like Ethereum. Creating a new coin is like building a new highway, whereas making a token is like setting up a toll booth on an existing road. Tokens can represent anything from art, like NFTs, to stablecoins, like USDC, which are backed by real-world assets. Some tokens are even tied to gold, offering a digital way to hold precious metals. However, the ease of creating tokens has led to scams, so always do your own research. For example, NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets representing ownership of a specific item, whether it's digital art, music, or even virtual real estate. This has opened up new possibilities for creators and collectors, but also requires careful consideration to avoid scams. Stablecoins like USDC and PAXG are pegged to real-world assets like the US dollar or gold, providing a stable value compared to the volatile prices of other cryptocurrencies. These stablecoins offer the benefits of crypto without the wild price swings, making them useful for everyday transactions and saving. Security in crypto is crucial. While the technology itself is secure, the platforms we use to trade or store crypto can be vulnerable. Always keep your assets in a personal wallet and use hardware wallets for added security, or use trusted exchanges. People often ask if crypto is safe. The truth is, some cryptocurrencies prioritize speed over security, making them more vulnerable to attacks. But over time, the more established cryptocurrencies have proven to be very resilient. The key is to be informed and cautious, especially when dealing with new or lesser known cryptocurrencies. Decentralization is a big deal in crypto. It means there's no single point of failure. Imagine a traditional bank. If it's hacked, all its data is at risk. But with cryptocurrencies, data is speed across thousands, even millions of computers worldwide. This makes it nearly impossible for hackers to attack all of them simultaneously. That's the beauty of decentralization. If you wanted to compromise the Bitcoin network, you would need to hack more than half of all the computers connected to the network simultaneously. This is nearly impossible due to the sheer number of computers involved and their geographical distribution. This decentralized nature is what makes blockchain technology so secure and trustworthy. Another common concern is the volatility of cryptocurrencies. Prices can swing wildly, which can be both exciting and nerve-wracking. This volatility is due to the speculative nature of the market and the revolutionary potential of the technology. As more and more people and institutions adopt crypto, the market will likely stabilize, but it will always be more volatile than traditional assets. So, which cryptocurrency should you consider? That depends on the risk tolerance and investment horizon. Established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum are generally safer bets, but they offer lower potential returns compared to newer, smaller projects. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Now, let's talk about why cryptocurrencies have value. Think about the money in your wallet. What gives it value? Once upon a time, it was backed by gold, but that changed. Today, the value of money comes from trust in the government that issues it. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, derive their value from what they do and the technology behind them. Bitcoin, for example, has value because it's scarce. Only 21 million BTC will ever exist. It's like digital gold. Ethereum, on the other hand, has value because of its utility. It's a platform for building decentralized applications, or dApps, and smart contracts. These use cases create demand for Ether, the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum network. This leads us to the concept of decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi platforms allow you to lend, borrow, and trade without intermediaries like banks. This is revolutionary because it gives everyone access to financial services, regardless of their location or background. Imagine earning interest on your crypto holdings or taking out a loan without a credit check. That is the power of DeFi. Platforms like Uniswap allow users to trade cryptocurrencies directly with one another without needing a central authority. This peer-to-peer trading not only reduces costs, but also increases transparency and security. Similarly, lending platforms like Aave let you lend your crypto assets to others and earn interest, all without a middleman. Let's address the common concerns and misconceptions about cryptocurrencies. Are cryptocurrencies used by scammers and criminals? While it's true that some criminals use cryptocurrencies, it's important to put this in context. The vast majority of crypto transactions are legitimate. Moreover, because blockchain transactions are public, it's often easier to trace illicit activities compared to cash. Another common question is, why are cryptocurrencies so volatile? The answer lies in the market's youth and the speculative nature of crypto investments. As more people and institutions adopt cryptocurrencies, the market will mature and stabilize. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and consider diversifying your portfolio to manage risk, but also don't forget those significant potential rewards. By this point, you've probably convinced your friends and family that crypto is pretty legit. They might ask, which cryptocurrency should I buy? Well, I do have an entire crypto consulting business where I help aspiring investors better understand the best crypto allocations for their desired portfolio and individual goals. I do want to remind you that this is not financial advice, and you should probably tell your friends and family the same. Encourage them to do their own research. Start with well-known, established cryptocurrencies. If you want to shoot them a link to my channel, I will be sharing some behind the scenes crypto news about promising projects, unpacking macroeconomic trends, and their expected impact on various cryptos, and helpful crypto and decentralized finance tips to help you and them make the smartest financial decisions. However, for beginners, sticking with major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum is a good strategy. These have proven track records and are less risky compared to newer, less established coins. As they become more comfortable, they can explore other cryptocurrencies and diversify their investments. To help them get started, I'd recommend they look into educational resources and communities like this one right here. Crypto has changed my life, as well as the lives of many of the investors and clients I've consulted. But this isn't some overnight get rich quick scheme unless you want to get burned by the next viral TikToker's pump and dump and spend the next 5 years clawing your money back in a never ending class action lawsuit. Guys, this is investing. It requires patience and smart, informed decisions, which is exactly what I aim to help you make. If you're ready to learn exactly what steps to take to buy Bitcoin the right way, because yes, there is a right way and there are many costly wrong ways, then click right here to this video to ensure you don't get caught in the next Bitcoin scammers web.